Today I just want to show you how one would integrate a Rentware widget into a Wix website. So I've just created this exemplary Wix website right here, and I would like to integrate the Rentware widgets right here. In order to do that, I am just going to click on Add Apps on the left here, and then I'm just going to search for the Rentware app. There we are. And once this loads, I can simply click on Add to Site, and this will open a new tab where I basically just need to agree to adding the Rentware widget onto my website. And at this point, it's going to ask me if I already have a Rentware account or if I want to register and open a new one. I do, so I'm just going to say yes, I have a Rentware account, and at this point I have to log in. So this would be this login. And this will just simply log me in into my normal Rentware account. There's nothing to do there. We just go back to our Wix editor and basically just refresh the page. So once this finishes loading, you should be able to see a Rentware pop-up. Here it is. In case you do not see this, it's also not a problem. You can just simply go back to Add Apps and then into your Manage Apps, and since you already have Rentware installed, it should be able to appear here, and you can either click on Open or just Add again. So I'm just going to be starting with a search widget because this is the simplest out-of-the-box solution. I'm just going to click on Add to Page and choose the page that I want it added to, in this case Home. And this is just going to start loading here. It's going to take a couple of seconds to load fully, so just give it its time. It should be good to go now, and then you can drag this down to its correct placement. You can make it longer, make it wider, make it shorter. Just make sure that it has enough space so that all of your items can be seen, so that you have enough space under here. And don't be worried about the cart icon being right here. This is just in the preview. As soon as the website is live, it will just spring to its actual designated space. So this is the search widget. Now, the second way of integrating Rentware into your website would be using the item widgets, the article widgets. You can either go back into Add Apps and Manage Apps, or you can also simply just click on your integrated widget and onto Settings. By the way, you are able to change the different views onto the slots view or the cards view from here, but you can also add new widgets from here. So you just click on add-ons and you get the pop-up again. And in this case, you can choose. So let's say I want my article widget, but on my home screen. This one's a bit different. It's kind of see-through at the beginning when it gets added. So let's put it in the right position. And article widgets, they are connected with a specific item. So you need to provide the item ID in settings. So when you click on settings, there is this field right here where you need to enter the item ID that you want to integrate for. In order to find this, it's very easy. You just go into your Rentware account and into your inventory, and the article IDs are always right next to the actual items. So let me just copy this one and put it in here. Then you just click on Enter and it loads. Also here you can change it to the different views. You can change it to the calendar view and to the slots view, or the slots view is not set up for this account, but the cards view right here. So you can, sometimes it's better to just go through and see what works best for you. You can kind of check it out and then adjust the sizing of the widget accordingly. So the calendar one will need a bit more space since it's a bit longer, and other ones are a bit more compact. Yep, that was a short tutorial on how one would integrate Rentware widgets into a Wix website. I hope that helped.